Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to see a Java MySQL mini project, wedding planner. So this is an exciting, simple project with lot of scope for beautiful design. The front end will be HTML, CSS, Java, and the back end will be MySQL database. Let us start with the MySQL database. Open exam, start Apache MySQL, and then MySQL admin to open the UI. Web client for MySQL, and here you can see the database. These are all the tables related to this project. You can see users table with the credentials, and then we have the various categories of services that are possible, and who are the various suppliers of these services, and what are the possible expenses, beverages, flowers, cakes, music, etc. And then we have the actual weddings, the individual customers, who are all the guests that are invited, so on and so forth. These are the database tables. Now coming to the front end, let's go to Eclipse, that is the IDE for this project. You can use NetBeans as well, and this particular project uses Maven as the build tool. So we will have a form.xml project object model. This has the list of all the libraries necessary for this project, like MySQL connector, Spring Boot, Timeleaf for the user interface, and the templates folder has all the HTML files, the designs for the pages. So you can use your traditional HTML, CSS knowledge to customize and improve these pages. And the actual logic, behind the scenes logic, will be the Java inside these packages. So MVC architecture mostly. So model representing the database tables that we need, entities, user, wedding, region, guest, budget, etc. And then we have the view. This is what the public is going to see. So each of those entities has a matching view model, and then the actual service implementations. Each service will be responsible for the various CRUD operations and other business operations. So to run this project, we need to go to this wedding planner application. That's where the Spring app runs from. So right click over here and say run as Java application. Spring Boot app is launching. It will go through the application properties. Let me quickly show you the application properties file. Yes, here it is. Application properties file. That is the backend details, the web related file upload download restrictions, and since the application is now running, we can go check the beautiful front end for this app. So you can register and log in and then try to use all these services. Start with registration. as a user who's gonna get married or as a supplier services to these people. Let's fill it up some details over here. Oh, we have this email already enrolled. Let us try another one. Hopefully this will stick. Oh yes, that went well. So there you go. This is the user account we created just now. And now we can start with our profile info, edit it by specifying who is our partner. Okay. And then on to the budget and the date. So we can go here, and this is a dashboard of all the offers, the suppliers you have opted for, how many guests you have for inviting, and how many said yes, and what are the services you have opted, and accordingly the budget allocation, and what tasks are yet to be completed, how many are done and how many are yet to be completed. And this project is all possible because of open source contributions from numerous developers out there, good-hearted programmers out there. So now let us go to the planning for the wedding. So here are 64 possible tasks, typical tasks associated with a wedding. You can add more. So announce, plan, then budget, then venue, and all this stuff. You can add your own. Yeah, I like this one. Invite school friends. So that is one new item added. If it is done, you can check it out like that. So two tasks out of the 65 are completed. So you can keep a track of what is done like this. Three tasks are completed. You can remove some of the unnecessary ones, maybe, which your wedding doesn't need. Maybe over and above. Add more gifts to your registry. No, I'm not interested in that. So this is how we do the wedding planning. Finish all the to-do tasks. And then guests. The all important work is to invite the guests. As of now, none. So let's add some of them. Okay. So I've added a guest. As you can see, one guest is pending. That means they have not accepted our request yet. So we can check this out in our profile as well. Over here, you can see one person not responded yet. And then the budget, all important budget. So things that cost us money. So ceremony venue fee. Yes, we have to start here. Let us say this costs around 5,000 and you would pay 2,000 as advance. So as you can see, 10,500 is remaining out of a total budget of 12,500. You are left with the 10,500. Right? So more tasks you can check out. Cake. Yes, a very tasty and yummy cake from a known bakery. Yes, two tasks, two expenses are met. And you can see the budget. You can always increase the budget amount. And once again, in your dashboard, you can see the budget and you can come back and make changes as usual. So guys, that's it. That is the wedding planner website. If you would like to make any changes to this menu or type or the overall design, you are welcome to do so. You can check out who are all the suppliers of various services. There you go. Venues. You can contact these people. You can send a message to the supplier. They can respond back. Add to hired suppliers. Yes. Now in your profile wedding dashboard, you can see that this supplier is hired. So a very exquisite set of features this website has. Photographers. Again, you can send a message to them, contact them, discuss with them, or you can directly go and add them to your hired suppliers. There you go. So the photography agency and the venue are both set. Awesome. So you can also log in as a supplier, register and log in as a supplier, and then communicate with these people as well. So thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing a lot of project videos out there.